This is going to be a review of the Wi-Fi smart plug. These are mini sockets. This is sold by AMYSEN, A-M-Y-S-E-N, on Amazon. These things are awesome. If you have not gotten into the automation with using smart plugs, you can run these things with the smart app that you can install. Let me get the instructions out. You can go over here and scan this code over here and install the smart app on your cell phone. I'm going to show you how that works. You can use these with Amazon Alexa or with Google Home. Google Assistant works on these. The idea behind these things is what you do is you plug this into your wall, and I'm just going to do an example so you can see how it all works. You plug this into the wall, you pair these with your cell phone or with Alexa or with Google so that the app is able to communicate with the smart plug. You plug your item into the smart plug, and then you can schedule something to come on, to turn off. I'm going to be doing the test on these two lamps over here. I've got the two lamps plugged into a box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up the smart plugs, and then we're going to see how they control the lamps. So you won't have to do the switches like I'm doing over here. You'll be able to do it with the app or Google or Alexa with the automated smart plug. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your cell phone and scan this code, which will allow you to install the smart app. And that's what this video is going to be about. If you have Alexa or Google, all you need to do is run those and add the device. But with this, I'm going to use the smart app on my cell phone. So I'm scanning the barcode. I'm going to open the app after I install it. I'm going to download the app and let it install. Download it, and now we're going to open this. We're installing the app. If you already have it installed, you might need to do an update, an upgrade of the app. App is installed. Now we're going to open up the app. And then what you want to do is you want to find your smart plug. If this is your first time, you are going to need to set up a password account. So I'm going to go to Devices, and then after I click Devices, it should take me over to Add Devices. So I've done Add Devices. I clicked on the plus in the top. It's scanning nearby equipment. These lights are flashing on and off. Both of these are flashing on and off. Rescan. If it doesn't see that, then I will do electrical outlet. So I clicked on electrical outlet, power on the device, and confirm the indicator lights are rapidly blinking. Then you press over here. It's very simple to do. Connecting, it's going to connect. It's going to find these two plugs, sockets. I don't know if you just heard them clicking. Lights went off. Now they're flashing again. Then they're off. And in a minute, it's going to say that it's connected. There we go. Mini smart socket 3 and 4. 2 items successfully added. Now I believe I should be able to go in here and rename this. So let's rename this A, and we'll confirm it, and then we'll go over to this one and we'll rename it B, just so we can see what's happening, and I'm going to confirm that. Okay, everything's done successfully. Click Done. Now what we see over here is you can see that I've got other items on my system, a lamp and a dimmer switch. So now I've set up A and B. And now we're going to plug in some lamps here and watch this work. This is the beauty of the system. I've got lamp A over here, lamp B over here. You're going to see the light come on in a minute. We've got the plug A, plug B. So I've got my mini socket A. Light just came on. Is this incredible? And I just love this. Do that again. I'm going to put my finger over here and I'm going to go over to the light. A, off, A, off. Now we can do the same thing for B. Look over here and we've got B. Shows over there. I think you can see it says turned off. So let's... Okay, so B is going to come up now. And we've got B over here. The light is off. I'm going to press it. On, off, on, off. Is this incredible? So you've got a lot of features. You get the schedule over here where you can go in and actually schedule when you want the lights to come on, when you want them to go off. And you can do that on whatever is plugged in to your smart plugs. And like I said, this is A and B, so if I had a lamp plugged in here, if I had a fan plugged in here, whatever I've got plugged in, I can turn it on and off by the schedule. We have a timer, so I can set it for how long I want the light to stay on before it turns off. Random. And what do we have over here? Circulate. You saw how easy it was for me to set this up with their smart app. Extremely easy. And you can also do the same, as I said, with Google or with Alexa. So you can buy this on Amazon. The company's name is AMYSEN, A-M-Y-S-E-N. They sell these in a 1-pack, a 2-pack, and a 4-pack. And if you are using Google or Alexa, you can control these by your voice. I'm going to be installing Amazon Alexa on my cell phone. If you have the Amazon Alexa in one of your appliances or in a remote, then you don't need to go through this installation on the cell phone. Once you install Amazon Alexa, you're going to have to set it up with your Amazon password info, and then I believe you have to link it to the smart app. After you get your Alexa set up on the cell phone, click on Skills. In the top, I'm going to search for Smart Life, which is the app. And then you want to click on the Enable Skills, which I just did before I put on the recorder. And now the two programs are talking to each other. Now I'm going to say, Alexa, discover devices. And if you have the Alexa Dot, then you will not need to go through this whole process with the cell phone. We are in settings. We're going to set up the new device. You can do that manually, or you might need to do it with voice. So here I'm at the smart home. I'm going to be adding a device. Devices, I'm going to be adding a, well, you can already see. Remember I had A and B. Plug is on. We've got the light over here. I still have the light on over, you can see the plug over here. It does take a little bit of time, but it's not that hard to set any of this up. Plug is on. I'm going to press it. The light goes off. This is, I laugh every time this happens because it's just incredible that you're able to do this with a cell phone. On, off. Let's do that again. On, off. And I've got the other lamp over here, which is on right now. The B, let's go over. We got socket B, plug is on, the light is on. Light is off. Light is on. Light is off. I've got Alexa set up for voice commands. Now I'm going to try it out and see what happens, and then I will end the video. Alexa, turn off mini smart socket A.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off mini smart socket B.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on mini smart socket A.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on mini smart socket B.
Okay.
And that's going to end the video for this AMYSEN Wi-Fi mini socket smart plug. These things are absolutely incredible. It's going to take you a few minutes to figure this all out, so don't rush, be patient. If you have the Google or the Alexa Echo, it will be very simple. If you just want to run this with your with the smart app, it takes seconds, just minutes to get everything set up and running. It's very simple to do. And if you don't have the Alexa or Google units and you want to install the app on your cell phone, that is very easy to do. You install Google or Alexa. In my case, I installed Alexa, and it was much easier to set up. Install Alexa, link the account, the Alexa account, to the smart app account on the cell phone, and then you were able to do incredible things like, Alexa, turn off mini smart socket A.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off mini smart socket B. There we go. So, what else can I say? It's an awesome item. It's very reasonably priced. You can automate your whole house, plug in appliances, fans, radios, clocks, lights, whatever you want. And it costs next to nothing to set up and to purchase this thing, and you can automate your house in no time. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Thanks for watching, everyone.